Hello friends, again welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Guys. In the previous video we have done with basic rules of HTML. Now let's discuss about doctag HTML. Doctag HTML tag is the very first line in the HTML document. It's tell the browser that we are using HTML5 and it was developed or evolved so that we can use few more tags. It has few more features which benefits us. And this is the way for us to say, hey browser, we are going to use HTML5. So please make sure that you load the website properly. And we will get into what these new tags are and some of the new syntax. I am removing this heading. Let's change this heading. In my notepad, there are some paragraphs. Let's copy this. Now paste this here. Guys, now refresh the browser. Here our heading and paragraph is updated. Now let's bold this elon word. To bold this text, we have a strong tag in HTML5. Guys, again refresh this page and see the result. Elon word is bold. Now let's make it italic. For making it italic, we have emphasized the tag. Friends, again refresh this page. Here elon word is in italic. Now let's create an order list. For creating an order list, we have OL tag. Inside the OL tag, we have li tag, where we can write an element. Inside the li tag, I am writing apple, banana, grapes. Guys, again refresh this page. Here our order list is created. Now let's create an unordered list. For creating an unordered list, we have UL tag. Inside the UL tag, again we have li tag, where we can write an element of a list. Inside the li tag, I am writing Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai, and Tony. Friends, again refresh this page. Here our unordered list is created. Now let's end this here. And in the next video, we will learn about attributes and how we can insert an image in our web page. I hope you should understand the thing which I taught. Friends, if you have any doubt or problem related tech, please comment down. Support us and suggest if there is any issue in my voice or video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.